hope that all of you are studying properly, खूब मन लगा के पढ़ रहे हो, and you are revising all your subjects, revising all your topics. And in the description of this video, I am attaching the Google link of the 7 rapid revision series videos that I have taken till now. And so please go to those links and you can download the PDF. And those revision notes are going to be a good study material for your revision of pharmacology. Apart from that, today is Sunday and I thought I'll just talk to you about 1 or 2 points. So one important thing that I would like to tell you is to keep your mental strength good. This exam, more than an assessment of your knowledge and more than an assessment of your MCQ solving skills, is an exam of your emotional stability. Everybody studies, पढ़ाई सब करते हैं. Everybody does PYQs, MCQs, books, सब कुछ पढ़ते हो ना. लेकिन वो 3 घंटे में, in those 3 hours, who is going to answer the best? Who is going to keep their mind cool, calm, and remember what the question is all about? Understand the concept behind that question and उस concept को pinpoint करके answer करो. तो इसके लिए what is required is a lot of emotional stability, a lot of mental balance, the ability to keep calm in pressure situations. Nothing else helps. I'm speaking from my personal experience, from the experiences that have been shared with me by hundreds and hundreds of students of mine. So learn to keep your mental calm, mental balance. That is the most important thing. Secondly, carelessness. As a doctor also, you cannot afford careless mistakes. Whether it is your career, whether it is your clinical acumen, whether it is when you're examining a patient or doing a procedure or diagnosing a patient, right? So carelessness हमको कम से कम करनी है. Please make a कोशिश करो कि तुम carelessness न करो. And that same thing applies in doing the MCQs. Afterwards, you know, once you're out of the exam hall and then you're like, oh shit, I knew that answer and how could I tick on that wrong thing? So this happens. 4-5 questions just go like that. And वो 4-5 आप गलत नहीं कर सकते थे. As in, आपने carelessly गलत किए. अगर आप सही करते तो आपका score 20 इतना मार्क्स ऊपर जाता. So there are a lot of marks which we miss by careless mistakes. So don't do that. You know the stuff, you have the knowledge. Learn to keep your mental balance, mental calm in the pressure situation, right? And that will come with practice. Nobody can teach you. Nobody. I cannot teach you. That has to come from within. Nothing helps. आप बोलो meditation करें, हम ये करें, वो करें, कुछ नहीं होता. You have to learn how to relax yourself. You have to find out ways by which you feel relaxed. You have to understand your own system, right? So please understand yourself. Understand what makes you relaxed, what makes you happy. And in pressure situation, how do you deal with that? Because in life, when you are going to become an MD and a super specialist, the first important thing that is going to be important is maintaining calm. You become a cardiologist and there's a patient on the table and he develops fibrillation and you are doing a procedure. And in that situation, if you panic, you cannot save the patient. The life of a patient depends on you. So it is very important to learn to be calm and deal with the pressure situation in a proper way. And this skill is going to help you in your NEET PG exam also. Okay. So ये तो थी something which I wanted to convey to you. Now, those students who are appearing for NEET PG as well as INICET or FMG, all of you and even second Prof MBBS students, they also can download the revision notes and they can complete the revision. These notes are going to be helpful in all the competitive exams that are going to come. So good luck, all the best. From tomorrow I'll be posting more rapid revision videos. I'll be completing the whole of pharmacology and so that it is helpful to you to complete your